Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. Have you been interested in dating younger women, but just don't know how to? Do you have to give lots of gifts and money to win the heart of a young woman? The answer is no. We will provide this important explanation for you. Remember, age is just a number. It turns out that many young women want much older men. What must you do to win their hearts? Don't worry, we will give you secret tips. 5 proven tips for dating a younger woman. You are my best friend. Support this channel to grow and greet you by pressing the like, subscribe, and good comments button. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Take control. Never hesitate to take the lead. The reason a younger lady prefers an older man is that they are more capable of taking charge. They are tired of going on dates with shy young men who are inexperienced in the bedroom, or on dates. Show off your experience. You have it. She'll be impressed by your ability to handle a crisis with confidence and renewal, and she'll want to see and talk to you more often. Draw her in with your self-assured and bold demeanor. 2. Don't buy her love. Contrary to popular assumption, younger women are not dating older men in order to have a sugar daddy. To try to keep her by your side, you don't have to wow her by purchasing her stuff. If anything, that conveys insecurity. Having fun with her, paying attention to her, and being receptive to trying new things will always have a greater impact than trying to earn her affection with cash. You shouldn't think that they like you because you are financially stable. Do not think like that. Younger women like to be with older men because they're secure in their life in general, at least much more so than a young guy. That's enough for them. Instead of using money as a weapon or to prove to her that you are an incredible partner, use it wisely while dealing with her. Don't let her age deter you from thinking that she is capable of taking care of herself. 3. Don't be immature. Because they are more mature and experienced, older guys tend to attract the interest of younger women. Don't communicate inconsistently with her or fail to take her out on appropriate occasions. Court her, show her that you're a man that knows what he's doing. Younger women want a man that knows himself. Take her seriously, act maturely, and treat her with respect. Don't underestimate women because they are young, so be careful here. And don't try to fit in with her crowd or her age group, just be yourself. 4. Give her a lively and enjoyable experience. Excite her and engage her interests. Take her out to dinner, to a new theater, or to the kitchen. Use your imagination to come up with enjoyable activities. You two could perform. Be both young enough to still want to have fun and experience life's thrills, and brazen enough to show her you got this. 5. Present her with something unique. Never hesitate to assume the initiative. Take her on interesting dates where you tell her about your travels and experiences. Since you are older than she is, show her some fascinating things you've learned or seen for the first time. Challenge her and push her beyond her comfort zone. Don't be scared to take the lead. She will want you to be very assertive. You can feel safe doing so. You can take her to something unusual like axe throwing or an interesting theater show. You can take her to something unusual like axe throwing or an interesting theater show. Make an impression on her by demonstrating your insight, self-reliance, and capacity to organize and plan. That will demonstrate to her your potential as a fantastic spouse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.